As you can see, I am having a very good time, pardon the pun, at the Bass Pro Shop in Memphis, Tennessee. The iconic Bass Pro pyramid-shaped building sits on the banks of the Mississippi River on Route 40, Exit 1, and just before you cross the Hernando de Soto Bridge into Arkansas. Since I am always hesitant on pulling my fifth wheel into unknown city streets, I can truthfully attest that the parking lots in this Bass Pro Shop are found right at the end of the ramp, and I would readily recommend that anyone going westbound on Route 40 can feel comfortable pulling your rig into this attraction. Parking for big rigs and trailers are located on the right and left entering the parking lots and are shaded as they sit underneath the overhead freeway.
Keep in mind this parking lot is huge, so even if you need a handicapped space, you still might be a distance away. You may find it more convenient to drop your passengers off at the front entrance and then go and park.
Big Cypress Lodge is located inside the Bass Pro Shop's pyramid, with spectacular views overlooking the Mississippi River, or even better yet, overlooking into the pyramid with the many shoppers below. For those brave-hearted adventurers, you can take a ride up the tallest freestanding elevator and dine at the lookout at the pyramid, or just view the city of Memphis and the Mississippi River below. Mary and I considered taking the elevator up to the top of the pyramid, but to be honest, for the $10 cost for each of us to take the elevator ride, and the fact that the restaurant to look out of the pyramid was closed, kind of kept us away. In exploring the lower levels of the pyramid, you can shop for running sneakers, hiking boots, casual attire, before crossing over many bridges in the lagoon into the fishing or boating display areas. The central area of the pyramid consists of a variety of fish-filled ponds and lagoons, which entices the shoppers to examine the many different types of party pontoons and speedy fishing boats.
As you wander around, there's plenty of fish to spot, and huge cypress trees that go many stories tall. It really feels like you're in a swamp.
And if that doesn't tire you out, you can take the elevator or the stairs past the many animal displays up to the second floor, which houses the hunting, archery, and camping sections.
When I was checking out the bowling alleys at Uncle Buck's Fishbowl and Grill, I thought, what a great place for a traveling family to hold a kid's birthday party. It's got 13 lanes and plenty of choices for food. This nautical-themed restaurant and bowling alleys is decorated as if you are bowling under the water. It's really cool. We ducked in next door and ate at the grill, and the food was scrumptious, the service was great. And look where we got to sit. We were right next to the aquarium. So just for fun, I set up the camera while we were eating lunch to see if we could find Nemo. I know it looks like I'm studying the menu, but truth be told, I'm uploading a YouTube video. When you're a full-timer, you look for Wi-Fi wherever you go. At this point, we'd been here for several hours, and Jerry had had it, so he went out in the lobby and relaxed while I decided to go shopping. In addition for shopping for some clothes, I found some great spies in the camping department. It's time to collect Jerry, head back to the camp. I hope you enjoyed touring Bass Pro Shop in Memphis with us. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, and we'd really love it if you would subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, if you hit that alarm, you'll know whenever we post a new video. And may you make great memories wherever the road takes you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. See you again.